Installing Deggy Control 2018, please visit www.deggy.com. Clients who have registered on the website previously can click on Login. Enter your email address and the password that was sent to you when you initially registered. Unless you edited that password, then please enter it accordingly and click on Log into my account. If you have never registered on the website, please click Register and fill out the registration form. Include any specifications and/or questions you may have under Comments, then click Proceed once you are done. You will receive an email with a username and password once the registration is approved. The username will be the email address you entered on the registration form, and a password will be generated by the website and can be later edited to your liking after logging in. Once you have successfully logged in, go to My Account. There at the bottom of the page you will see a section titled Downloads. Please click on it to view all downloading options. At this time, please take note of the requirements necessary for the software to run properly on your computer. Once you have checked the compatibility, click Download. You will have two options to download, the full installer and the update. If this is your first time installing Deggy Control on your computer, please choose the full installer. If you have a previous version that is at least 5.0 or higher, you may install the update. In most browsers, you will see the progress of the download at the bottom of your screen. Once it is complete, click Open or Run. A pop-up will appear, and the installer will begin to extract files. Your computer will then stop the installer and ask your permission before allowing the installation to proceed. Please keep in mind that you will need full administrative rights on the computer when installing the software. If your rights on the computer are limited, please contact your IT personnel and inform them that you will need full administrative rights in order to install the software, and full rights over the software and the database in order for Deggy Control to function properly. Click Yes to give permission for the installation to continue. The Setup Wizard will need your permission to proceed. Click Next. The installer will ask where you would like the program installed. We recommend that you leave the installation location under its default setting, but you may change it according to your preference. Click Next once you are done. The Setup Wizard will begin the installation process once you click Install. Installation should only take a few minutes. Once Deggy installs, Microsoft Access Runtime will begin installation. It is a program that is installed with the Deggy system, which helps to read the Microsoft Access database that Deggy Control uses to store your data. A pop-up will appear, letting you know once the installation is complete. Click Finish. The Deggy Control program should load. If it does not, please open it by clicking the new icon on your desktop. Deggy Control will open and ask for the language you would like to use. Once you have selected your language, Deggy Control will need to link a database. You will have three options: open a sample, existing, or a new database. Choosing a sample database allows you to try out the software without having to register any hardware. We advise against registering any information on this sample database. It is just for testing. Choosing an existing database will allow you to use a previous database. This is typically used when you are upgrading from a previous version. After selecting Existing Database, a pop-up will appear allowing you to look for the location of the existing database and open it. Once you open it, another pop-up will appear asking if the software can convert the database in order for it to work with the updated software version. Click Yes. You will receive this message once it's converted. If you do not want to test the sample and do not have a previous database, then you would choose Create a New Database. A pop-up will appear allowing you to change the location that the database will be stored and edit the database name. We recommend that you either leave the default setting or make a note of the location you choose to save the database, so that if you should ever need to update your software or change computers, you will know the location in which you saved it. Once you have your database open, the software will show you the dashboard. If this is a new database, you will see the first steps in front of you. You may switch between first steps and dashboard at the bottom drop-down. Please follow the first steps to get started. If you need any further assistance, please contact support@Deggy.com. Thank you for choosing Deggy Corporation.